Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up auto answer calls on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. Go to the Accessibility settings. Inside Accessibility settings, find and tap on Touch option. Scroll down and look for the call routing option. Tap on it to proceed. Now you will see the option for auto answer calls. Tap on it. Finally, tap on the toggle switch right next to auto answer calls option and turn it on. This will automatically answer incoming calls after a specified numbers of seconds. And this is how you can set up auto answer calls on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.